Grandpa. Say hi, Grandpa. Hi, Uncle Tim. Yeah. Good boy. Hi, Baron. You wave to Grandma? Wave. Say hi, Grandma. Good. Thank you.
Could I have a napkin?
Yes.
Hold on, we're all looking at the baby.
Oh.
Tim, let's see you wave.
Hello.
That's the real thing.
Hello. Yeah.
Are you ready for another coffee?
This is my second.
Oh,
I helped myself.
you have to do that around here.
Although no one can leave it till they have 4.
Not at all.
There's Dad. He's happy.
He
Happy.
He looks happy.
I'm happy.
It's just a matter of getting out sometime.
He's super
I'm
happy.
gonna have to crawl under the table, up across somebody's chair.
What are you eating, Tim?
He's eating
Fish.
corn.
Oh.
Fish.
Can you whistle for your